students, welcome to VTeach. In this video I will explain about superconductivity phenomena. So this is the basic principle involved in the property of magnetic levitation. So magnetic levitation is the property or the phenomena which is used in the fast moving trains. So this is the best example of superconductivity phenomena. First of all, see what is meant by superconductivity. Suppose you take a pure metals, just to take the best example is the mercury, pure metal. Suppose you take a mercury. So on x-axis you take a temperature in kelvins, on y-axis that is taken as resistivity rho. Okay, suppose decreasing the temperature of the mercury at certain temperature, the resistivity goes to 0. If resistivity goes to 0, what is the conductivity? That is the question. So what is the relation between those two? Conductivity is equal to reciprocal of resistivity. That means the conductivity is equal to 1 by 0. That is sigma is equal to 1 by 0 means infinite. That means if resistivity is 0, the sigma is infinite. That means it will get superconductivity. Okay, conductivity means the flow of electrons. In case of certain metals, of pure metals, the conductivity is infinite. That phenomena is known as the superconductivity. ఏంటి సూపర్ కండక్టివిటీ అంటే కొన్ని ప్యూర్ మెటల్స్ తీసుకుంటే దాని యొక్క టెంపరేచర్ తగ్గించుకుంటూ వస్తే ఏదో ఒక టెంపరేచర్ దగ్గర రెసిస్టివిటీ కూడా 0 అవుతుంది. ఈ రెసిస్టివిటీ 0 అయింది అంటే కండక్టివిటీ ఈజ్ ఇన్ఫైనైట్. కండక్టివిటీ ఇన్ఫైనైట్ అయింది అంటే దట్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫినామినా ఆఫ్ సూపర్ కండక్టివిటీ అని అర్థం. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ప్యూర్ మెర్క్యూరీ at 4.2 kelvins, at temperature T is equal to 4.2 kelvins, the resistivity suddenly goes to 0. That means it acquires or it existence of superconductivity state. That means below this 4.2, that is in superconducting state. After the 4.2, that is in normal state. Okay, normal state. This is the value, that is 4.2 kelvins. Below 4.2, that is superconducting state. After 4.2, that is normal state. At what temperature the resistivity goes to 0, that temperature is known as the transition temperature. The temperature is known as transition temperature or critical temperature, that is indication with a letter TC. Is it clear? That means here below this 4.2, the metal is converting into superconducting state. After the 4.2, the metal is in normal state. If in case of normal state of the metal, when the goes on, the temperature is decreasing, that is converted into superconducting state. At what temperature the metal is completely converted into normal to superconducting state, that temperature is known as the critical temperature. Okay, that means the critical temperature is the separation between normal state and superconducting state. So see this is the definition of superconductor. Which metals are exhibiting the superconducting phenomena, those are known as superconductors. Okay, so the phenomena in which the electric resistance suddenly drops to 0. Electric resistance is suddenly drops to 0. Is it clear? When the material is cooled, that is the temperature is decreasing. Okay, that is very very important. టెంపరేచర్ అనేది తగ్గించుకుంటూ పోతే ఏదో ఒక టెంపరేచర్ దగ్గర రెసిస్టివిటీ అనేది ఆ రెసిస్టెన్స్ అనేది 0 అయిపోతుంది. సడన్లీ డ్రాప్స్ టు 0. దిస్ ఈజ్ సడన్లీ డ్రాప్స్ టు 0. ఓకే, ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? వెన్ ద మెటీరియల్ ఈజ్ కూల్డ్ సఫిషియెంట్లీ at low temperatures is called superconductivity, and that material is called superconductor. ఓకే, ఆ మెటీరియల్ని సూపర్ కండక్టర్ అంటాం, ఆ ప్రాపర్టీని సూపర్ కండక్టివిటీ అంటాం. సో ద temperature at which the resistance of the material suddenly falls to 0 is known as the critical temperature. That is known as critical temperature. At temperature Tc, the material undergoes the phase transition from normal state to superconducting state, from a state of normal resistance to superconductivity. So this is the graphical representation of mercury. So this is the value of resistivity. It goes to decreasing when the temperature is decreases. Okay, suddenly drops to 0. The resistivity suddenly drops to 0. This is the temperature, the converting of normal state to superconducting state. Okay. So what are the general properties of superconductors? What are the general properties? See, the first property, transition temperature is different for different materials. That means in case of pure mercury, the transition temperature or critical temperature is 4.2. 4.2. Is it clear? 4.2 Kelvin. So this is the temperature is changing for different materials. Okay, for different materials. Next, for pure specimen, Tc is sharp, and for impure Tc is broad. In case of pure metals, that is very sharp transition temperature. For pure metals, it is having a very sharp transition temperature, but impure metals, it having there is no sharp transition temperature. That means, for example, in case of mercury, at 4.2 kelvins, the resistivity suddenly drops to 0. That is a sharp transition temperature. But in case of impure metals, there is no any sharp transition temperature. Okay. So next, superconductivity found to occur in a metallic elements in which the number of valence electrons lies between 2 to 8. In between 2 to 8 valence electrons of any type of metals exhibiting the superconducting phenomena. Is it clear? Next, for elements in which in given row the periodic table, that means in case of this type of valence electrons of a metals, you can draw a graph in between Tc and Z square. It gives a straight line. It gives a straight line. Okay. Next one, transition metals having odd number of valence electrons are favorable to exhibiting superconducting phenomenon. Generally, 2 to 8 valence electrons of any type of metals are exhibiting superconducting phenomena. But in case these are also in between odd number of valency electrons, that means 3, 5, 7, okay, are completely exhibiting the superconducting property. Okay, ferro and antiferromagnetic materials does not exhibiting the phenomena of superconductivity. Okay, that means ferro and antiferromagnetic materials are not called as superconductors. Ferro means like a nickel, cobalt. Those are the examples of ferromagnetic materials, iron. So those are not exhibiting the phenomena of the superconductivity. But which type of materials are exhibiting the superconducting phenomena is known as the diamagnetic materials. So diamagnetic materials are completely exhibiting the superconducting phenomena. Okay, these are all the general properties and the phenomena of superconductivity. Very, very, very important concept. Okay, thank you.